Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Hungarian dishes recipes in Aldi application. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you have to tap on the recipe button right there. Then you will see this, all the recipes, and you have to tap on it. And you will see this Hungarian dishes button right there. And you will see all the Hungarian dishes recipes they have. For example, like this. You will see right there what it needs and how to do it in a proper way. I hope you like this and it helped you. If it was helpful, please consider to subscribing. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.